So we have Aymeric Pradines versus Matt Mask left arm super match. We almost had a fist fight right in the first round. These guys were as aggressive towards each other as you can possibly get. They were tied up and they were pulling each other through the strap. It was getting weird. It was getting kind of uncomfortable to watch, especially for the guys who were there right in the stadium, because it could have broken into a fight anytime. So round one, Aymeric Pradines was looking great without the strap. He was controlling Matt. So Matt was doing a lot of false starts and stuff. But when they got in the strap, Aymeric Pradines just curled him in. He just curled him in and he smashed Matt to the pad. It was not close in a hook. And as soon as the pin was there, he made sure to let Matt realize whatever Matt said to him during the press conference. He was like, sing now, sing in French now, tell me something now. And that's when Matt Mask started pulling on him. Then Aymeric was also pulling on him. And it was a weird moment. It was a weird moment. But Pradines clearly showed that he is the dominant guy. He's the left arm specialist, as they call him. In the second round, nothing really changed. Nothing really changed. Even without the strap, Aymeric was looking good. In the strap, he was easily beating Matt. I think in the second round, Matt may have fouled twice. So we didn't really get to see too much action there. In the third round, hopefully Matt could have done something. That's what we were hoping for. But he got curled in super easy and he got beat. That was a one-sided event, total one-sided event. One round ended on fouls and the other two, Matt got hooked and he got pinned and we almost saw a fight. So Matt Mask's left arm winning streak is over. I would like to see more of him, but not against Aymeric Pradines. In the full results video, I'll also talk about the results of Beth Kelly versus Rustam match. Beth Kelly won that match. Then Rickard Borman versus Lars. Rickard won that match. I'll be discussing all of those matches. If you haven't purchased the pay-per-view yet, use code Pradeep. You'll get 5% off. Thanks for watching.